Okay, so somehow I cannot stop wearing red lipsticks just the way I can't stop talking sometimes. So it's really weird, but me and red lipsticks have a thing. Hi everyone, my name is Asta and today I'm going to talk about the top 10 best red lipsticks from MAC. Red lipsticks were my first love when I started wearing lipsticks around, I think around the last year of my college. This is the list for the top 10 and we will just get right into the video without talking about anything else. So these are the lipsticks that I'm going to talk about. There are 10 lipsticks in here. I've also included the swatches of all the shades by the end of the video, so please don't forget to check that out. So the first lipstick I'm going to talk about is MAC Ruby Woo. I mean, do I even need to say anything about this gorgeous 2 red lipstick? It's my go-to lipstick. Like, it's a go-to lipstick for probably half the women on the planet. So this was probably my first and ultra favorite of all the lipsticks I've ever owned in my life. This is Hollywood, this is Bollywood, this is probably all the other woods out there. I'm telling you, if you are someone who loves red lipsticks, then this needs to be in your collection. This belongs in your collection. This probably belongs in the collection of every lady who loves to wear red lipsticks. This is what I have on my lips right now. So we have Russian red on now. I have seen a lot of comparisons drawn between Russian red and Ruby Woo. Now, I'm going to make some things very clear. Russian red has probably some more blue undertones going on. It's probably a little darker and deeper. Ruby Woo is certainly more bright and more true red. Russian red is also a very popular bridal red shade, especially in India where brides often wear red outfits on their wedding. I have Russian red on right now and as you can see, this is so stunning. Oh my god. Alright, I'm swatching Ruby Woo next to Russian red so that you can see the comparison for yourself and not be confused about it. So next we have MAC Chili. MAC Chili has some brown undertones to it. This is quite different from the other reds that we have seen already. This certainly has some brick red vibes going on, if you can notice. This is again a very common and popular shade among the bridal makeup artists in India. And this shade surely will look stunning on all skin tones all over the world. So let's get Viva Glamming because next up we have Viva Glam 1, also known as Viva Glam the original. This is a gorgeous red with slightly warm brown undertones to it. Look, this was basically the lipstick which made me fall in love with all the Viva Glams out there. Always remember that whenever you buy a MAC Viva Glam lipstick, 100% of its sales goes to the MAC Eats Fund. Yes, you are contributing to the society when you purchase a MAC Viva Glam lipstick. So now we're talking about MAC Lady Danger. This is again a very popular shade from MAC Cosmetics. Lady Danger is a very bright orange red, but not super bright that you cannot wear it. It's a very wearable bright orange red, if you know what I mean. It totally suit all the skin tones. This has got that fun, vibrant spring summer vibes to it. So again, a very unique, very beautiful shade to have in your collection if you are someone who loves red lipsticks. MAC Marrakesh. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. If I'm not, please forgive me. Now this lipstick has a story. Initially when it was launched, it was limited edition. Then MAC took it back and then MAC brought it back with their throwback collection. I don't know what's going on, but MAC keeps going and coming with this lipstick. But right now it's available under the MAC throwback collection. And I reckon this is a permanent shade now. It's a lovely copper red with warm brown undertones to it. I think this looks gorgeous and has some boss lady vibes to it. So totally check it out. This is a beautiful shade. So now we have one of MAC's recent launches. It's called E for Effortless. Now ladies, Can we take a second to appreciate this amazingly gorgeous packaging? I think this packaging was probably invented for the angels. Now this has warm undertones to it. This belongs to the MAC's recent Love Me lipsticks collection. The finish this has, it's like a luminous finish. This is not glossy, not matte, not satin, a little bit more than satin but less than glossy. I mean, I would say this is a luminous finish, a beautiful, beautiful red. If you are someone who does not like to wear very matte lipsticks, then you can totally check this out. This is a beautiful formula and a beautiful color. Love this. Let's talk about the most recent addition to the Viva Glam fam, which is the MAC's VG26 lipstick. This is my current favorite red lipstick at the moment. This beautiful slight orangish red is a total stunner. This is not as orange as Lady Danger, but still it has got that slight bit of orange going on, which makes it look so vibrant, at the same time gorgeous. And I have a full dedicated video for this lipstick. I'll put a link somewhere down here, so you can go check out the complete video if you want to know more about this shade in particular and this lipstick. Okay, so next we're talking about MAC Viva Glam Sia lipstick. This was a limited edition, I think, but this is such a beautiful red that I could not have included this in my list. This is a gorgeous red. This shade, like all the other shades I mentioned, will flatter literally all the skin tones on the planet. Still available with some sellers on Amazon. Go check it out if you can get your hands on it. Totally go for it. I love this shade. If you like creamy formulas which are in matte, totally go check out their cream sheen lipsticks. They're awesome. The formula is amazing, and this red is a stunner. It's an intense red with a pearl finish. This has this sheen, but it's not luminous or glowy in any way. It belongs to the Amplified Cream Sheen Lipsticks range by MAC, and it was in collaboration with Caitlyn Jenner. Looks really beautiful. Looks really, really nice. What do you think? Now I don't have the lipstick with me because I kind of gave it away to someone, one of my cousins who couldn't keep her hands off it. So yeah, this list cannot be complete without mentioning MAC Diva. That is an amazing red formula. It's like a burgundy red with strong warm undertones to it. It does look quite dark when you look at the bullet, but once you apply it, it completely transforms your look. It's like magic. Diva is a very good shade if you're looking for a deep red shade for the fall season. Guys, that completes my list of top 10 red lipsticks by MAC. If you love a red lipstick from MAC and I have not mentioned it in my list, please don't forget to comment down below and let us know. Don't forget to subscribe because that really encourages me to make good videos. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. Give me a like if you did, and if you did not like it, give me a thumbs down. I'd like to know both ways. So yeah, I hope you have a great time with your family wherever you are. Take care. Bye.